Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Profit Pointers. If you're new here, we're all about helping you understand your money, grow your wealth, and work towards financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future tips and advice. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So, what exactly is financial freedom? It's the state where you're free from worries about how to pay for life's necessities and you have your money working for you, not the other way around. Sounds good, right? Well, today we're going to talk about the 10 steps that will set you on the path to achieving this financial freedom. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Know what you want and when you want it. Whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or starting a business, clear goals will help you shape your financial plan. Step 2. Create a budget. Understand where your money is going each month, control your expenses, and make sure you're saving enough to meet your goals. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved can protect you from going into debt when unexpected costs arise. Step 4. Pay down debt. High-interest debt can seriously hinder your path to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off your debts, starting with the ones with the highest interest rates. Step 5. Start investing. Investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate can help you grow your wealth much faster than a traditional savings account. Step 6. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of assets to spread your risk. Step 7. Maximize your income. This could mean negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or investing in your education to increase your earning potential. Step 8. Plan for retirement. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Step 9. Protect your wealth. This includes things like getting the right insurance policies, setting up an estate plan, and learning about tax strategies. Step 10. Stay informed. The financial world is always changing. Regularly educate yourself about financial matters to make informed decisions. Remember, this journey isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building sustainable wealth over time. Start where you are today and take small steps towards your goal. You might be surprised by how much progress you can make. That's all for today, folks. We've discussed the 10 steps to achieve financial freedom. Each of these steps is a topic in its own right, and we'll delve deeper into each one in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now. Profit Pointers, think outside the norm.